Hello, Anisha. How are you? What would you like for Christmas dinner? Mackerel and dumpling, my word. Yeah? Okay, tell me, what are you going to have for Christmas dinner? Tell me what's going to be on the menu for Christmas this Christmas. Tell me what mommy cooking. Uh-huh. Rice and peas. What else?
Mashed potato.
Mm.
Onion.
Onion too? What are you going to drink?
Juice.
What kind of juice? Tell me what kind of juice you're going to have.
Pine juice.
Pine juice. Beautiful. All right. So, bye, Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Bye, Bottom Kitchen.
See you Christmas, okay?
Yes.
What you going to have for Christmas dinner? Tell me.
Onion.
And what else?
Cheese.
And cheese. And?
Breadfruit.
You got breadfruit too? No, what Christmas? What you have for Christmas? Look at the camera. Christmas dinner, what is it?
Birthday dinner.
Huh?
Birthday dinner.
Breaded dinner?
Birthday dinner. Birthday dinner too.
Breaded dinner?
Birthday dinner too.
Oh, okay, cool. Good to know. Thanks.
Papa Tam.
Pat Bottom.
Yeah.
Say bye, Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Bye, Papa Tam. Batman Kitchen.
Pat Bottom Kitchen, say.
Papa.
Tell me. Bye.
Bye, Papa.
Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Papa. Button Kitchen.
Alright. Thank you, Sanjay. Alright. So Pat Bottom Kitchen there at Lighthouse Road. So we're gonna see Mernet's. What's your name, beautiful lady? Mernet. So here what it's Christmas, you know, it's almost Christmas. We have 24 more days for Christmas, and now you're thinking, what is gonna be on your menu for Christmas Day? What's your Christmas menu gonna be like? Look in the camera and tell me.
Well, normally my Christmas would be with family, but
yes,
due to the pandemic, I don't know how much.
You gotta stay home.
Yeah.
So what's gonna be at home today? What are you gonna cook? I mean, what are you gonna cook for Christmas Day?
I'm thinking about doing some barbecue pork.
Beautiful.
And well, I don't know the turkey part gonna go, but I will see about that part also. And you know, regular rice and peas.
Yeah, I tell ya.
And with mashed potato.
Mashed potato
like
and regular. She got do some barbecue.
Vegetable.
And some veg.
Yes.
Alright, so that's Christmas Day.
Yes.
Beautiful. What's for drink? What drink you have?
You know, with sorrel.
Look at the camera and tell them.
With sorrel and rum punch.
Yes. Step up. Alright. So, there's anybody out there you want to say hello to from Pat Bottom Kitchen?
Alright, so I want to big up my family first and foremost. My husband and kids.
Yes.
And my mom.
Beautiful. And where your mom at?
Chile Lane.
My mom live in Chile Lane, yes. And what's your name?
Siblings.
Big up your mom, man.
Janice with her.
Merry Christmas and all of that. Tell her.
Tracy and Randy, Yanni.
All works.
Raymond.
Alright.
Big up on yourself. And all who know Mernet out there, big up on yourself.
Okay, that was Miss Mernet, live from Lighthouse Road. So you know.
I remember to stay in.
Stay in for Christmas, yes?
Yes.
So them say, we have a lockdown. Okay.
Alright.
The Grinch take our Christmas. That's what they said. Steal our Christmas. So let's work with that for now.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Good to have you. And we'll talk to you on Christmas Day, alright?
Alright.
Say bye, Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Bye, Pat Bottom Kitchen.
Beautiful. Okay, Miss Alright, you what now? What the on the menu for Christmas?
Vagina.
Okay, Mr. Brooks, good evening to you. How you doing, man? First of December. How you feeling like December? Yeah?
Boy, just the breeze, you know.
Just the breeze?
Yeah, I feel the breeze. Man.
Alright, you want me to say now, my boss?
Yeah.
Christmas Day, 25th. What's on the menu? Let me know. Let Pat Patam know what's on the menu for the 25th. Look on the camera and tell you what I'm going.
Yo, some
25th.
Yo, some fried dumpling, some boiled dumpling, some macaroni and saltfish, some red herring. A whole heap of something, man. A culture we are dealing with, you know.
Straight.
Merry Christmas, you know.
Merry Christmas business. Alright. So now live on banana and run.
That night too, man.
That night too?
Yeah, man.
Alright, my boss. Live on banana. So what about dinner?
Live on banana.
What are you going for dinner?
Yeah, with some pressed plantain and so, you know. Nice little vibes.
Christmas.
Think about your culture and your
Quarantine thing and what going like. I let them lock you down early now, so you think that?
Yeah, man. Them can't lock down early, man. We abide by the rule.
Right.
I eat with boiled dumpling, saltfish, see tree there.
Right.
Yeah, man, I can't put the camera up.
The little small lucky tree, right? This is
Yeah, man,
yeah, alright. Alright, boss. Alright, my boss.
Yeah, said it.
Thanks to Mr. Brooks. Thank you again. For this Christmas, Mr. Laughlin Brooks. Talk to me.
Rice and peas and pork.
Rice and peas and pork. And what for drink?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Alright, we're good like that. We have it locked. Hello, Keisha. How are you this evening?
I'm wonderful.
Doing good. Well, today is the first of the month, which is December.
Yes.
And you're probably considering now thinking if you're going to do Christmas dinner. What would you like for Christmas dinner? Or what you're going to have for Christmas dinner this December?
That is a good question. You know, I'm not so much for the Christmas. But anyway, in this festive season, it is a time for family to get together.
Beautiful.
And give God thanks. You know, every day is a celebration of Thanksgiving. And, you know, I'm not too sure yet, but something from Hot Bottom. I think I need to watch your YouTube video and get some inspiration.
Well, it's a pleasure to have you. If you're welcome every time.
Yes.
Okay.
But I just want to take the time out to deal with the sons of God. You know yourself.
Beautiful.
Yes, because that is how God sees us as sons of God.
Beautiful.
Just look over into Luke chapter 3 and 33. You realize that Adam was a son of God. So, yeah, take this time out, give God thanks, and it should be every day.
Beautiful.
All right?
All right. Thank you very much. And Pat Bottom will see you around. He will come around by your doorstep and give you a smile out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, here we go. And what's your name, young man?
My name is Martinho Merchant.
Mr. Merchant. Okay, now is the, festive season, they might say. And it is December 1st. Think about December, you talk about Christmas. And next, 25th of December, what is dinner going to be like?
I don't know, some curry goat and rice and peas, you know, G. Yeah, man, curry goat.
Curry goat and rice and peas. What about for drink?
Drink? You know, I'm not sure. Would have been up some carrot and some plum, you know? Natural, keeping it natural. You know?
Keeping it real.
Yeah.
All right, so who you want to...
Sorry.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So who you want to send greetings to for this festive
Send
season?
greetings to my sister Avery, yeah? Sheila Merchant.
Beautiful.
Donald Merchant, you know?
Merchant family.
Merchant family, yeah.
All right, all right.
Kmart Merchant and the whole works.
The whole works. All
Yeah,
right.
area, you know?
All right, Mr. Martinez. Good to have you at Pat Bottom Kitchen. It's a pleasure.
Bless up yourself, man.
All right, and we're out.
Yeah.
Which part of the food are the sweetest part of the food?
Hot bottom.
Jesus, I will tell you that.
Hot bottom.
Mr. Joel Thompson. Yes? Welcome to Pat Bottom Kitchen. Okay, so we're here and it's December. What do you think Mommy gonna cook for Christmas dinner? Talk to me, tell me. What do you think? Anything you think? Jerk chicken. Okay. What else? Can't hear you.
Fried chicken.
Jerk chicken and fried chicken. But what for drink? Christmas time, you know. Come on, what is it? Sorrel. You want rum in there? The rum have to go in a sorrel, so you can't drink sorrel. Yes. Right? But you've got to choose a next drink. Orange juice. Okay, cool. Alright, who you want big up now? Tell me, for Christmas. Send some greetings. Who are your family? We don't know your family, boss. Tell them. Who is that?
Merchant.
The Merchant family again.
Thompson family.
And the Thompson family. Okay, and it's coming from?
Durham.
And Merry Christmas to them, right? Bless them. What's your menu going to be like for Christmas? Christmas menu. What are you going to eat? What are you going to eat Christmas Day?
Christmas?
Yes.
We just name some chicken back as white rice.
That's it.
And one glass of sugar water.
Alright, good. What is going to be for your Christmas dinner? What are you going to have for Christmas dinner this Christmas, beautiful lady? Tell me.
Crayfish and rice.
Crayfish and rice. Curry crayfish?
Yeah.
Curry crayfish and rice. What for drink?
Plum juice.
Plum juice. All right, we're good. And where you're going to be on Christmas Day? At home? Family home?
Home.
At home. Beautiful. It's good to have you. Anybody you want to send greetings to? Overseas? Abroad?
Big up you.
Big up me.
Overseas? Big up
So,
England.
Big up England. And where again?
Big up US.
Beautiful. Big up everybody. Thanks. Shara, what is going to be on your menu for Christmas? Tell me. Christmas Day, where I eat? Tell me.
I'm going to eat
What are you going to cook?
for breakfast,
What is on your breakfast? What is on the menu? What food?
chicken and rice and peas.
For breakfast?
Breakfast,
Eh.
soft yam,
Mhm.
ackee and saltfish,
And what for dinner?
curry goat and chicken.
Beautiful. Come in, boy. Me I tell you, not a penny French or hide or need. Come in, come talk to me, come closer. What's going to be on your Christmas menu for this Christmas? Tell me what you have on the menu.
I have no idea.
Look on the
Sid.
menu. Look
I
on
have
look
no
on the
idea.
camera.
I
No
have
idea.
no idea.
Chicken back, chicken foot, whatever. Oxtail.
Mama, dinner may come for on Christmas.
Mama didn't come for
Yeah.
Christmas. All right. And you want to send greetings to anybody out there? Talk to me now. Look on the
Greeting
camera, man.
across the world, coming from Tash Marie
Tash
to everyone
Marie.
and every family.
Alright. Cougar boss, man, boy, yes, me not see you. Hear me now, Mr. Cougar, boy, from Fernhill, me not see you there. See the boss, yeah? Cougar! So tell me, what go on for the... Wait,
What I cook for you?
What go
Christmas.
what go on for the... What up on the menu? Tell me, what go
Whatever
on...
you put on the menu.
No, what up on the menu? Tell me. What up on your menu?
Lamb chops, everything.
Everything up on your menu for the Christmas. And where I drink? Where I drink? Where I drink?
Regular Jack Daniel.
We are in Bonebrook here now and we back up on this man here. This man is Willa. Papa Willa now. I'm going to ask you now, what for Christmas dinner?
Well, I run down and saltfish, I run down and chicken.
Rundown and chicken?
Yeah.
Saltfish, rundown and chicken?
Yeah.
And where you going to drink? Step up and talk to me. Come up and talk.
Like the drinking now, sometimes I drink Sarilla water.
Sorry, what? You know white rum business?
No, I'm not the white rum, the liquor business no more.
Okay, you graduate now from that?
Yeah.
So you want to heal up a brother, that foreigner. Tell me who you want to heal up.
Well, I yellow, my lady, my brother, my sister. When I take a picture?
And the whole family.
Yeah, and the whole family.
Greetings to Christmas. Tell them.
Well, I say you know greeting Christmas greeting to London.
Yes, man.
Oh, my brother, my sister, my mother.
Yes.
And we down in Ghana.
All right.
Africa, me I send to my brother and me I send to my two youth down in Ghana.
All right. Bless up.
Yeah,
Willa,
man.
the man of the moment.
Yeah.
Blessing. Thanks, Willa.
Well, me want some more cricket to come in at the place.
We're going to cricket on the puff, man. Don't worry yourself, man. We'll dig you out, okay?
Alright.
For Christmas dinner, young man, tell me.
Rice, curry chicken,
Curry chicken. Christmas dinner, yeah? Yes, sir. What for breakfast?
and chicken.
Chicken again for breakfast?
Yeah.
Mind yourself, you know. You sure?
Yeah.
And I live on banana?
Yeah.
Live on banana for Christmas? Breakfast? Okay, cool. What's your name?
Michael Lawrence.
Mr. Lawrence, who you want big up? Who you want to send greetings to America?
Yeah.
England, Jamaica, who you want to send greetings to? Christmas greetings, tell me. Anybody you know,
My
America?
father,
Your father, what's your father name?
Michael.
Looking at the camera man, and talking. Big up your father, when there? America?
No,
When there?
Mobile.
Big him up, when there? You should have mobile, talk. What name?
Michael Lawrence.
Yeah man. Christmas greetings to Mr. Michael.
Yeah, Mikey.
Mikey. Yeah man, you come from your son, right? Talk to the people man, tell them. Alright, yeah. Alright, you don't know. Yes, Junior now, tell me now.
One lobster, curry lobster,
That's all you want for
and
Christmas
fried
dinner?
plantain,
Uh-huh.
and sorrel.
And Cyril, Christmas dinner that.
Christmas dinner, I'm not joking, you know.
Alright, big up anybody in America you want big up. Anywhere in the world. Christmas. Merry Christmas to who?
Merry Christmas to all the Kato family.
Alright.
All Kato.
Bless.
And Koyan,
And Koyan.
coming from Junior Kato.
Junior Kato. Thank you. What you gonna have? What mama or grandma or your auntie gonna cook for Christmas dinner? Talk to me. Tell me man. Look on the camera. Look on the camera and tell me. Move down here. Talk to me.
Barbecue chicken and rice and peas.
And what for drink?
Sorry.
Okay. Who you want to send greetings to anywhere in the world?
Auntie Susan.
Talk to me man. Tell them. Tell Auntie Susan Merry Christmas. Come on.
Auntie Susan, Merry Christmas, and Kim. Auntie Bean.
Alright.
Auntie Bobby.
Beautiful. Yeah man.
Because the Uncle Paul.
Alright.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Good to know. What about McGregor? Your uncle?
Uncle Bob. He's too common.
He's soon for us?
Yeah.
Alright, good to know. So what you got for Christmas dinner?
Barbecue chicken and rice and
Barbecue chicken and rice and plantain. Okay, this is Master Carly. So Carly,
Yeah.
what is gonna be for your Christmas dinner this Christmas, 25th? Tell me.
Pork.
Uh-huh.
Rice and peas.
Pork and rice and peas. And what for drink?
And salad.
Man, you want to eat nobody in America?
Yeah.
Tell me who?
There's Uncle Carly.
Uncle who?
Uncle Carly.
Uncle Carly.
Yeah.
Where in there?
And family.
Which one I find?
And we try them.
In there, one of them. Alright, big up yourself. Alright, Uncle Colin, big up. Carly say big up.
Auntie Sam.
Auntie Sam.
Yeah.
Big up Auntie Sam. Carly say big up. Pat Bottom Kitchen.
I ain't look a baby.
And look at baby. Alright. Tell them Merry Christmas. Huh?
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Beautiful. Thank you, Carly. Big up. You want to big up your mother?
Oh, look at my love mother.
Okay, good.
And look at Barcy too.
Barcy, Orion. Alright.
I'm selling.
Alright, good. Good boy. Respect. Alright, Jahim. I'm here again. I catch you this time, man. Alright. Here we go. Now it's December month, yeah? And Jahim, look in the camera and tell us now. Tell Pat Bottom Kitchen what you're gonna have for Christmas dinner. What's on the menu for Christmas Day? Talk to me.
barbecue fried chicken.
Uh-huh. Look at the camera and tell them. Don't be shy. Look at the camera and tell them.
Barbecue fried chicken. Some nice brown stew chicken.
Whoa.
Well, you prefer chicken.
The boy are chicken out.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So what about drink? What's
Drink? Oh, you know.
What that?
Jamaica's national Christmas drink. Sorry, beer.
Alright, my boss. Alright. So anybody you want to big up anywhere in the world, talk to me now.
Big up my father from Massachusetts, Zimmy.
Yeah, Merry
Big up
Christmas.
my
At Christmas time, you know. Tell them,
Mommy,
man.
we're out here. Yes, grandma, we're here too. Big up my family.
Alright.
And yeah, man.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Alright, Jahim. Blessing. Thanks, man. And I hope I come in for Christmas dinner, the Barbie fries. I never have it. Never check it out. Okay? Alright, my boss. Snully boss. Six head. Sluggy boss. That's a snully. We don't know why. So listen now. The festive season is coming on, and we are in it. So hear what happened now. On the 25th of December, where is our Christmas Day, they all said. What's the menu gonna be like, young man? Talk to me. And tell the people at Pat Bottom Kitchen what your menu gonna be like. Don't be laughing. You tell me what I want.
We don't really plan it yet.
Yeah, listen, tell me what you have in your mind. And mine. Tell me, man, it's
We
okay.
have curry goat.
Curry goat is a must. Hold up and talk to the people.
Pot roast pork.
Right, that's a must.
Bunga rice and peas.
Gongo rice and peas.
Yeah, sorry.
Alright.
Breakfast now we're gonna have, you know, ackee and saltfish.
Right. Roast yam, roast yam.
Yeah.
Alright, so there we go.
Fried Caribbean.
So that's over there. Jamaican feel. Alright, so here we are going now. Snully. Right over there with our Pat Bottom Kitchen and to the world we say now. So tell the people them now who you want to heal up out there. Tell me what going on.
Just heal up the whole of Portland, the whole of Jamaica, everything.
Alright. Christmas, I saw things set up.
Just try it.
Yeah, Snully boss now, so you have to guess, you have to talk to the people them know what going on. And a joke thing.
I don't really have nothing to say right now.
You know what to say right now to the people them?
Nope.
Alright. Tell them to keep
Cut out the barbecue now.
me fix it, don't worry yourself. Me fix it, that's how it should be. Don't worry about it. Don't go and get it. Big up yourself. Alright, boss?
Yeah, man.
I want out. Place with it. Still at Sutherland place. And big sister Maxine just flying at the place where she do her 2 weeks already, so she good. So here we are going now. Sister Maxine, festive season, it's Christmas time. Let us see what's happening for Christmas on that day, that special day. We know you understand, man. Mommy gone already, you know, mommy gone, and that's why you're here anyway. You know, and my condolences to the family and hugs and kisses. No tears, okay?
Yeah.
So here we go now, Christmas Day. Tell me what's gonna be on the menu for Christmas.
Alright.
Look at the
Christmas
camera.
Day. Special time for our family.
Yes.
We believe in togetherness, especially on that day.
Yes.
Enjoy each other's company, laughter.
Yes.
You know, it's like, it's kind of, the death of mom kind of overshadow it, but
Yes.
I know Mama would want us all to be here on that day,
Beautiful.
doing what we normally do.
Beautiful.
So hear what it's gonna be.
Talk to the
She
people.
was the fried dumpling specialist, but she's done. But she did kind of have me in training.
So you know what I'm going to
We
say.
can deal with the fried dumpling thing. So we're gonna have fried dumpling, roast, and cook up saltfish.
Beautiful.
Onions, tomatoes. We're gonna have roast yam, roast breadfruit, chocolate tea, hardo bread.
Bangarang.
Ackee and saltfish again.
Look on the camera and tell them what I'm going.
For breakfast.
Which brand?
So we do it like in a prior breakfast form, like in the morning. But then when dinner rolls around,
A coronation bread you talk about?
the big round one.
Coronation bread.
Yeah.
See we there? Big up
Dip it on the
coronation.
chocolate tea.
Big up
You know, it's
coronation.
Nice one, it says dip it.
Yes, big up coronation.
Alright. So after breakfast now, you know, midday, the stomach want to warm up, so we have a little manish water.
Yes.
Going on
The
there.
goated business then and the goat
Yes,
seed
and then we have
and
some curry gold,
and the Texas
some pot roast pork, pot roast beef, and chicken. Hungry rice and peas, and of course, the icing on the cake, some sorrel, fruit cake.
fruit cake, Jamaican
yeah.
cake. Maxine, big up anybody you want big up anywhere in the world.
Okay.
All your friends them. Look at the camera and
One
tell them.
big up all of my church member them and all of my church family
Right,
and my Galen's family
right.
and
The Sutherland
the
family.
Sutherland family first and foremost.
Yes.
Family is important.
Always.
And we just want to always be able to, whether it's immediate or extended
Right.
family, we just want everybody
live up.
live up in a love and unity.
And you think
One
up,
love. Yeah.
one blood, and that's how we say. Maxine, it's good to talk to you.
Yeah, man.
And listen, I come in
Nice
for
talking to you as
I
usual.
come in for dinner
Of course.
on Christmas Day, okay?
Yeah.
And what we say? Pat patam,
Bottom.
straight. All right.
Bun bun.
All right. We are at Anna K's house. Anna K, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Beautiful. Okay. Now is the 1st of December. On the 25th of December, what your menu gonna be like? Look in the camera and tell Pat Patam what's going on. Oh, she shake her head. Tell me what's gonna happen for Christmas. Christmas dinner menu.
Well, stew peas,
Stew peas.
curry button, and rice.
Wow. And what for drink?
Probably some style or some orange juice.
Beautiful. Anna K, listen man, may your wishes come true, and we don't want a Santa to come and give that. Mama and Papa gonna prepare that, yes? Okay, beautiful. So, there's anybody you want to say hello to out there?
Yeah, my family. But otherwise, everybody else.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everybody else.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you, Anna K.
You're welcome.
And I see you around. Come and share us, come and talk to us at Pat Bottom, and let's tell you what's going on, alright? Anna K have much more to offer, so stay tuned, alright? Okay, Mark Twain, you have your puppy here, man. Okay, cool. So Mark Twain, what you gonna have for Christmas dinner? What mommy gonna cook for you this Christmas?
Rice and peas and fish.
Rice and peas and fish. What? That not bad at all. So let me ask you now, who you want to say hello to? Who you want to give a shout out to? Who you want to send greetings to? Tell me. Mommy, what's mommy name? Look for me and talk to me. What's her name? Anissa Walker. Talk loud.
Anissa Walker.
And that's mommy's name. And mommy gonna cook rice and peas and fish. Beautiful for Christmas dinner, right? And what for drink?
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Beautiful. That's nice, man. Thank you, Mark Wayne. That's a nice name you got. All right. And that's your puppy? That's your puppy dog?
No.
Whose puppy dog it is? What a beautiful puppy dog.